How to make Keto Gingersnap Cookies. Please kindly do subscribe to this channel, also like the video and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Thank you. The ingredients: 2 cups almond flour, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, 1 cup erythritol, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves, half a teaspoon ground cinnamon. The preparation: 1. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large mixing bowl, mix the dry ingredients of almond flour, erythritol, ground ginger, ground nutmeg, ground cloves, ground cinnamon, and salt together. 2. In a small bowl, mix the wet ingredients of melted unsalted butter, egg, and vanilla extract until well combined. 3. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Blend with a hand mixer until combined. The cookie batter will be slightly stiff and crumbly. 4. Use a tablespoon to measure out each cookie. Flatten the top of each cookie with a spatula or just use your fingers. 5. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes at 350 F or until they're lightly browned on top. Then serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 24 servings of Gingersnap cookies. Each cookie comes out to be 77.88 calories, 7.13 grams fats, 0.81 grams net carbs, and 2.33 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below for more recipes.